Today we're in Hiawassee, Georgia at Hawg Wild Barbecue and Catfish House. We're lucky enough to have the manager, Clark Bourne, with us. Clark, thanks for having us. How long have y'all been at this location?
We've been in this location about 3 years now.
Okay, and do you have other locations?
There are other locations in Clarkesville and Commerce, Georgia, and he also has a place on Lake Raven.
Oh, okay. Now your menu, your name kind of says what's on your menu, good barbecue and catfish. Tell me what's your most popular item.
Our most popular items probably the barbecued pork or the catfish. It's kind of a toss-up. Both of them are very popular. And of course the ribs are also a very popular item.
What's your favorite?
If I'm ordering in the restaurant, I like to get one of the combination plates because I like so much of the food. It is excellent. And with the combination food, you can get a 2, 3, 4 meat, and you can get a little bit of several of them. So you don't have to decide on one meat.
I'll tell you my favorite. Each day you have different specials, but one special you run, I think at least 6 of the days, is your unlimited salad and stew. I love your Brunswick stew. I eat that probably twice a week.
The Brunswick stew is a very popular item.
Clark, I'm a regular here. I'm probably here at least twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week. Tell me a little about your customers here.
It is varied. We do get quite a few regular customers that come in from what I would refer to as the Tri-County area, Towns, Union, Clay County, North Carolina. And also we're very seasonal because of the lake. We get a lot of people coming up to enjoy the lake during the summer from Atlanta, and south through South Georgia, Florida, and from other parts of the country. And so during the summertime, it really picks up with people enjoying the view that we offer and the dining on the patio.
Speaking of view, you do have an amazing view out the front of the lake. That is amazing. I see folks posing out there in your parking lot taking photos sometime. One thing I've learned is never come here very late when there's a concert in town. You are packed on concert night, I guess because the fairgrounds are right around the corner.
Correct.
Clark, one of my favorites besides the stew is your brisket jalapeno poppers. Those things are incredible. Tell me a little about them.
Well, the name pretty much says it. They're jalapeno stuffed with ground brisket and then deep fried, and we serve them with a blueberry ancho sauce that we make here in-house. It's very good sauce, nice flavor combination, and a very popular item.
Now also another one that I literally can hear being served at other tables is
the pork rinds, because we bring them out and they're still popping and cracking on the way to the table and when they go on the table.
They are good.
Fresh made, hot, and served hot.
You literally can hear them at other tables popping. Yeah, they're delicious. Now, tell me, I'm not a big catfish person, but I know folks come right here for your catfish. Tell me a little about your catfish.
We serve the catfish fillets, cooked different ways. Most people get them fried, but we do offer them blackened or grilled. We do have specials we run on the catfish. On Friday, we call it Catfish Friday. We have a $5.99 special for 1 fillet and 1 side. And Friday nights, we have an all-you-can-eat catfish special, which is, as it said, all you can eat.
I have had it blackened, and I did enjoy that. Another thing I like, I forgot about this, is your different types of, I know this is kind of strange, but your coleslaw. You have the strong vinegar base, but you also have the kind of the southern or the mayo base.
The mayonnaise and the vinegar, which the vinegar is kind of an Eastern North Carolina type slaw. Barbecue slaw is what I've always called it.
I've enjoyed that. Now tell me a little about your ribs and smoking meat here.
We've got a smoker in the back. We smoke all our meat in-house. The ribs are a baby back rib, a very nice product. They're a large baby back. They're not the small ones. So it's a very generous portion of ribs. We smoke them for several hours in the smoker and serve them nice and hot with the salsa on the side. They are just have a rub on them when we smoke them.
All right.
And all our meat is served with the salsa on the side so that people can add it as they want. We offer an assortment of salsas.
Good point. Tell me about the different salsas, because I know you have several.
We've got what we call our original, which is a sweet sauce. We've got a sweet Georgia brown.
My favorite.
That's my favorite too, which is a sweet and tangy, a little bit of a bite to it, but not too much. It's a nice sauce. And then we've got a mustard sauce, a vinegar sauce, and then what we refer to as wildfire, which is a mustard-based hot sauce.
The Sweet Georgia is by far my favorite. I've tried them all.
The original and Sweet Georgia Brown are definitely our two most popular sauces.
So next time you're in Hiawassee, Georgia, make sure you check out Hawg Wild Barbecue and Catfish House. Excellent food and awesome views of Lake Chatuge. Thanks for having us, Clark.
And thank you, Rick. It's a pleasure.